If you wish to switch a direct debit to a different bank account, e.g. from N26 to another bank or vice versa, you'll need to contact the merchant or service provider directly. Provide them with your new IBAN and BIC details to update the payment information. N26 does not offer an automatic service to transfer direct debits between accounts. To change direct debit info, contact the service provider and give them your new N26 IBAN. To block a direct debit, open the N26 app, find the Debit tab, block direct debit. You can also email a signed form to support@n26.com. To cancel the agreement, notify the company directly. N26 only blocks payments, not contracts. To get a refund, open the app, find the Transaction tab, initiate a refund. Premium feature: N26 Spaces with IBANs let you organize direct debits by sub-account. Thanks for watching.